Jason here from Robot Lawn Mowers Australia. Today I just want to introduce to you guys a new mower that's just come in. I only had this in for the last couple of weeks now. It came in early February. It is the E1800S4 model. Basically it is very similar to the other E1800 models. It's just had a few bits and pieces literally skimmed out of it to try and get the price down as low as possible. The biggest difference of which is the LCD is missing off the top. So this model actually has just push buttons on the top, just 3 push buttons, start, stop and home mode, so that you can still operate the mower manually from your yard, but primarily it's programmed and used with the Wi-Fi app and programmed through that for your area zones and settings. All the actual capabilities of the mower is still the same as the S. It still does about 1,500 square metres. It's got a 21 centimetre cutting blade. Everything else on the mower is very, very similar. The only other noticeable difference you'll see is the stop button's been revised for a different type of stop button on top. Still does the same function. The battery inside is still a 4.4 amp hour battery. So once again, still is exactly the same as the S, and the cutting motor is still the brushless cutting motor inside this one to keep that value down again. The only key difference in its functionality is pure and simply the height adjustment. The height adjustment on the S4 is manually adjusted. There's actually a small hole. I'll show you close up later on. There's a small hole through the side of the mower here that you put an adjustment and put a screwdriver in, which comes with the mower for winding that adjustment up and down. Whereas the S model and all the other 1800 models has got a motorised height controller inside it, and that's set via the LCD screen. So probably one of the key advantages of the S4 is probably the fact that it doesn't have the LCD screen. So if it's sitting in a very hot location in full sun, that screen won't get as hot as what they do. They typically black out like LCD screens do in full sun, and then when they cool down they come good again. But with this one not having the LCD screen, you've got no issues with that screen actually going blank. So just a quick little recap of what the capabilities are on these mowers. So like I said, it's 4.4 amp hour battery, runs for approximately 2.5 hours on this model. Brushless cutting motor, 21 centimetre cutting width, which is on the centrifugal blades underneath here. Speed is about 35 metres per minute, so they travel quite quickly for a robot lawnmower. There's no LCD screen on this model. It's got push buttons for start, stop and home mode, so you can operate it. And there's a few functions there to actually pair the mower to the station and everything else. The mowers that we sell all come with the rubber wheels. You can get the high traction wheels for them. These are the wheels just here actually on this model, on this 1600, the high traction. Safety feature wise, they've got the emergency stop for stopping if you need to in a hurry. They've got a bump sensor in the front, so if they run into something they'll bump off and turn around and come back. They've got a tilt sensor. If you tilt it past 35-40 degrees they'll shut down. They've got the handle sensor on the back, so if you touch the handle on the back it will shut off and stop. Pressure sensor, if there's actually anything on the mower it'll actually press down on the mower and stop that from running as well. And also underneath the mowers themselves, if something does happen to get through, you do have this guard around the side here which stops anything from getting directly to the blades. If it runs over something like a small ball or anything, it just gets a few scuff marks on it. It doesn't actually do too much damage at all. One other difference there with the S4 is actually the charging station. The new charging station comes out with the S4. It is basically the same as all the others, it's just a slightly different shape. But it does have this guard on the side here which actually stops the mower from coming in sideways and bunching and bumping into the charge station. I typically just run the perimeter wire out and around and back again past here to stop it from doing that anyway. But the charge station has stopped a little bit, has changed a little bit. It's now got a little bit more of a waterproof cover, a shield over the top of the connections there. But basically it is still the same type of charge station as the previous models. So key differences in the 1800 model, so the S4, like I said, is missing the LCD display and it also has a manual height adjustment. The S models have the same capability, same mower, brushless motor with the LCD display and the motorised height adjustment. You then go on to the E1800, which has the brushless motor which is the same as the S but with the brushless motor, so it's a 4.4 amp hour battery. And then you go to the E1800T, which is the 6.6 amp hour battery, and you get the extra hour running time and hour charge time out of that mower, and it's exactly the same as the 1800 with the brushless cutting motor. So I think that's about it, guys. I will put a few close-up shots in this video so you can sort of see what I was talking about as I go along. If you have any questions, as always, get in contact with us on our website, phone, email, sales@robotlawnmowers.com.au. On our Facebook page, just search for Robot Lawn Mowers Australia and you'll find us. And on our website, www.robotlawnmowers.com.au. Thanks again for watching.